am Kristen Frank, founder of Eve of Reduction and the author of the Do-It-Yourself lifestyle book, Living Simple, Free, and Happy. Go Green Week in elementary schools is catching on as Earth Day and earth-friendly activities are gaining attention. Today I'm going to present some eco-friendly activities geared toward elementary school students to help them get involved in going green. One of the ideas is to have the students plant a seed in a recycled cup, like this cap to a laundry detergent bottle. Another idea is to have them make a watering can from recycled materials like either a milk jug or a laundry detergent bottle like I have here. And to make the holes in the top, you can light a candle and take I have a long needle, but you can also use a pin from a corsage. That works good, just as long as you have a little length. You only need to keep the pin over the flame for a couple seconds. You don't want to burn yourself, and it'll go right into the plastic. Another earth-friendly activity is to collect six-pack plastic rings for the children to cut up. Have a discussion about the dangers of litter on wildlife. You can do an internet search on Peanut, the turtle in the St. Louis Zoo. As a little guy, he got one of these plastic rings caught around his shell, causing his shell to grow in the shape of a peanut. By switching to reusable cloth napkins, more than 1 billion pounds of paper napkins could be saved from landfills each year. This is also a fun project where kids can use fabric paint to create custom napkins. To do this project, we're going to make a stamp out of foam craft paper. And it's actually really easy to cut, so you can make any design you want, even earth-friendly messages. We're going to paint it. I have a regular paint and fabric medium, which you mix up 2 parts paint, 1 part fabric medium, and mix that up. Now you're going to want to paint this very liberally. Make sure that you get all the spots. And sometimes what happens is once you've finished painting the whole thing, where you've started painting, the paint has creeped away and you'll need to go back over and touch it up a little bit. And then once you have it painted, you're going to flip it over and just let it drop, push it down, and you don't have to hold it there for a really long time. Just a couple seconds is enough to transfer the paint. And then lift it up. And any areas where the paint is thin, since the stamp has provided the design already, you can go back in and just touch it up a little. Some kids actually like that worn look anyway. I'm Kristen Frank from Eve of Reduction, and I thank you for your interest in teaching children the importance of reducing waste and ways they can be good to Mother Earth.